Hey everyone, welcome to this special explainer. We have got something absolutely massive on the radar today for Indian engineering professionals. If you're looking to seriously accelerate your career in the industrial sector, you are definitely going to want to pay close attention to this. We're looking at the ultimate career blueprint for the massive Ballestra walk-in recruitment drive happening right in Bengaluru. So, are you ready for your next engineering leap? Because, look, this isn't just some generic job update. Consider this your exclusive VIP briefing tailored exactly for your specific career progression. Whether you're fresh out of university or you've got 2 decades of hard-won experience under your belt, Ballestra is looking for you. Okay, let's dive into this. We are going to use a career ladder arc to logically break down all 8 distinct job openings they have. We'll be looking at the walk-in opportunity, the early career launchpad, the mid-level engine room, senior masterclass leadership, and wrapping up with your next steps. Section 1. The Ballestra walk-in opportunity. Treat this like the premier event of the year. So, who exactly is Ballestra? Well, their motto is Chemicals for Life. They're a major industrial player currently on a really aggressive hunt for mechanical, chemical, and electrical talent. They are specifically targeting professionals who can jump right into piping, project execution, automation, and massive fertilizer plant projects. Now, I'm going to deliberately slow down for a second here, because you need to know exactly when and where to be. Mark your calendars for Saturday, June 6th, 2026. The doors open at 9 a.m. sharp, and they close at 3 p.m. The location is Bengaluru. You've got a 6-hour window to get in there and make an impression. Section 2, Early Career Launchpad Roles. This is highly encouraging for those of you just starting out or with up to 5 years of experience. Let's get your foot in the door. First up, we have the Junior Startup and Commissioning Engineer. If you're a recent chemical engineering grad with 0 to 3 years of experience, this is totally for you. The really cool part? The highly hands-on nature of the work. You are not going to be stuck behind a desk. You'll be actively assisting in actual plant startups, directly testing and commissioning process equipment. It's the perfect launchpad to get some real-world dirt on your boots. Pivoting a bit, for those with a little more time in the field, we have the Automation Engineer. This one asks for 3 to 5 years of experience, specifically with a background in electrical and electronics engineering. The whole focus here is industrial automation systems. You've got to be hands-on with troubleshooting, PLC, and SCADA systems, along with instrumentation control. You're essentially the digital brain of the operation. Section 3. Mid-level engine room roles. We're shifting gears now to the operational backbone of these projects for folks with 5 to 15 years under their belt. Let's contrast 2 highly critical roles here. Both require 5 to 10 years of mechanical engineering experience, but they are completely different. Think of it like making a movie. The project planner, they're your director. They're operating behind the scenes, mastering timelines and resources with heavy-duty tools like Primavera P6 and MS Project. The project engineer, on the other hand, is your producer. They are out there executing live on site, coordinating with vendors, and providing direct technical supervision to make sure the show actually gets made. Now we have what I love to call the ultimate wildcard entry of this entire recruitment drive, the document controller. Believe it or not, while it requires over 5 years of experience, it is open to any degree background. So what does a document controller actually do? Well, it's a vital, highly organized role. You act as the central nervous system for all technical records. You're maintaining massive engineering files, strictly controlling revisions and approvals, and managing the overall document flow. Without this person, the entire engineering operation just grinds to a halt. Okay, let's pick up the pace. For mechanical engineers with 5 to 15 years of experience, we've got the piping engineers and senior engineers. You are designing complex piping systems and handling intense pipe routing. And look at the software you need to master: AutoCAD, SP3D, PDMS, E3D. Those are heavy-hitting tools required to coordinate with mechanical teams and bring these plant layouts to life. Right alongside them is the piping material engineer, needing a solid 10 to 15 years of mechanical experience. The crucial point here is just how meticulous this work is. You've spent over a decade learning how to perfectly match piping materials and complex valves to the absolute strictest safety norms out there. There's zero room for error. Section 4. Senior Masterclass Leadership Roles. We are climbing to the very top of the career ladder now. 20. Just pause and think about that massive number. That is 2 full decades of hard-earned industry experience required to even step into the room for this next elite role. This is for the piping core layout engineers, specifically for massive fertilizer plants. With 20 years of mechanical engineering experience, yes, you are reviewing complex plant layouts. But the most vital part of this masterclass role isn't just about reviewing layouts anymore. It's technical leadership. It's about leading the next generation and mentoring the junior and mid-level engineers we just talked about. Section 5, your next career steps. Let's get you mobilized. Look, if you literally can't make it to the physical walk-in in Bengaluru, you still have a direct lifeline. You can email your CV straight to their HR team at hrindia@ballestra.com. And if you are going, simply scan the QR code in the original job post for the exact venue details. So, where will your engineering degree take you in 2026? Ballestra is offering a massive opportunity with a clear, structured path. Whether you're launching your career today, grinding in the engine room, or stepping into a masterclass leadership position, the blueprint is right here in front of you. The next move is entirely yours. Thanks for joining us for this explainer, and we'll catch you on the next one.